In this video, I'm going to show you how to use query function in Google Sheet and pivoting, creating a pivot table. So to do that, we have a data set here which shows product, company, and quantity sold, and also shows the salesperson right here. What we want to do to convert this data into something like this, where we have a product and then companies right here, and then the value or the sum of each of these products for each of these companies like shown here. And this is what we call a single pivot. Later on, which I'll also show you how to do a pivot by the salesman and product here. So we have the product, the sum of the products per each of these salesmen here. After that, we shall look at the multiple pivot, where we can have a combination maybe of company and product, as we shall see. So to get started, what we're going to do is use the query function. Select your data set, which is this, comma. Your select statement will go there. I have one header, so I'm going to say select. And I need to think about what I'm going to do. I want the products in the row and the products and column B. So I select B, comma. Then I'll need the sum of the quantity. So column D, I say sum D, like so. Now when I do the sum of these quantities, I also want to summarize them by the product, by the column that I've selected here. And therefore I'll say group by B, because product is in B. And lastly, I need to pivot by company. As you saw, I want columns per company. So you put the word pivot, then company is in column C. So you say C, press enter. I get an error there. The error is because I put a comma here. So let me remove that and press enter. So we have our product summarized by quantity per company. So that's our first example. Now, our next example, quite similar to the first, we're going to say query function. Data set is the same, comma. Our select statement, we have one row of headers. So in this one, we want salesperson. Salesperson is in column A. So I'll say select A, comma. Again, I'm going to get the sum of the quantity in D. So the sum of D, comma. And then as we do the sum, we need to group by what we selected here, which is A, the salesperson, which is A. So we say group by A. Then we want to pivot by products. So we want columns of products. So pivot of products. Products are in column E. So when we do that, press enter, you can see we have a summary of each of the salespersons by the quantity they have sold per product. Now this is a single pivot. So let's look at a case where we can have two pivoted by two items, either company and product or product and person, whichever you want. So here we have this. Now what we're gonna do again, we'll do our query function. Our data set is this one here. our select statement, because there we have one row of headers. Then we're going to select, depending on what we do, maybe go by salespersons, then pivot by product company. So we select the salesperson, which is in column A, comma, then sum of the quantity sold, which is in column D, comma. Now, when we select the salesperson and the sum the product quantity, we need to group them by the salesperson. So the group by salesperson, which is A, then pivot, where the difference is from, we're going to pivot by B, which is the product, and C, which is the company. So B, comma, C. This is how we do it. Press enter, and you get the salesperson here and a combination for company, product and company. So fridge, company A. So when you see fridge and company A, we have this combination and rates to Peter of 120, which is right here. Then we have fridge and company B, which is 247. Fridge company B, which is 247. And if there was another one here, it would sum them up. And so all the possible combinations of the company and product are displayed here, and the values are summed per salesperson and displayed right here. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not, like, comment, hit the notification button to be notified of more videos like this one.